Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to remove the base from the Sceptre Monitor in 2026. Now you might want to remove the base if you are planning to mount the monitor on a wall, attach it to a VESA mount or simply pack it for moving. So the process is very simple and it only takes a few minutes. So first of all, you need to turn off your Sceptre Monitor and then simply unplug all the cables. Disconnect the power cable, the HDMI cable and any other connections. So this particular step prevents damage and make it very easier for you to handle the monitor safely. Now you need to place the monitors face down on a soft surface such as a towel or a cloth to protect the screen from the scratches. Now you need to look at the back of the monitor where the stand connects to the base. Now most of the Sceptre monitors use either a screw lock or a quick release clip to hold the base in place. You need to check the bottom of the stand to see how it is attached. If the monitor uses the screw connection, you just have to simply locate the screw and then you just have to simply remove them using a screwdriver, or sometimes it can be a thumb screw that can be unscrewed by hand. So once the screw is removed, the base will separate from the stand. After removing the base, you may also want to remove the stand from the back of the monitor. So you can look for the release tabs and mounting screws where the stand connects to the monitor. Remove the screws or press the release clip in order to detach the stand. So this will expose the VESA mount holes if you plan to use a wall mount or the monitor arm. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.